Hello, good morning everyone. Student class 7 subject computer. Open the book. आज हम लेसन नंबर 6 की रीडिंग करेंगे. पेज नंबर आपका है 44. एडिटिंग द टेक्स्ट. So friend, after you are through with the brief introduction of word processor, let us delve deeper into word processor functioning. This section talks to you about editing document in word processor. And after you have created a new document, you are ready to start entering text. You will notice a blinking virtual element. The insertion point appears in the upper left corner of your new document. This is where your text will be typed. Type a paragraph of text. You do not need to press enter after completion of one line. Just keep typing until you have finished the paragraph or keep your text within the default setting of right and left margin. The insertion point moves automatically to the next line. Press enter after completing one paragraph. The insertion point moves down to the next line. Press enter again. The insertion point will again move down and create a blank line. Continue type text until you complete your document. Editing document or text. Very rarely what you type in the first attempt will not need any modification. Usually document needs editing before it is finalized. The purpose of editing may be to change the text, insert a block of text, delete a block of text, copy a block of text at any location, move a block of text from one location to a new location. Inserting text. There are many ways of inserting text into an exciting document. The simplest among all is to place the cursor where you want the new text to be added and start typing. This is how you should do it in the document. Click the mouse before that word where you want the new text to appear. The blinking insertion point will appear. Type new words, editing a space before or after if necessary. The next text will be inserted into the document. New text will push the exciting text to the right and keep moving it over or down to make room for itself. Selected text. First select it any time. Put the mouse pointer at the beginning of the text matter to be selected. Click and drag the mouse button and rotate it to other end of the matter that is to be selected. Now leave the mouse bottom. The selected portion will appear as light. Type on a dark background on your screen or the reverse of the unselected text. In addition, we can also use the following selection technique for selecting text. If you double click on the word, that words will be selected. If you press the control key or click anywhere on the sentence, that sentence will be selected. To select the whole paragraph, you click for 3 times, triple anywhere at the paragraph will be selected. Besides this, we can select any text or character with the help of the keyboard. 2 following pair of keys are used. Shift plus left arrow is used to select one character left from the current cursor point. Shift plus right arrow is used to select one character right from the current cursor point. Shift plus up arrow is used to select one line up from the current cursor position. Shift plus down arrow is used to select one line down from the current cursor point. Shift plus home is used to select matter from the beginning of line till the current cursor position. Shift plus end is used to select matter till the end of the line from the current cursor position. Deleting text. You can delete and require text at any time. There are 2 common keys to delete text. These are the backspace and delete key. Delete key deletes single character to the right of the cursor, while backspace deletes single character to the left. The procedure for deleting text is as follows. Select that position of the text which is to be deleted. The text will be highlighted. Press the delete key. The highlighted text will be deleted. The remaining text will adjust itself in its original position. लेसन नंबर 6 की रीडिंग कंप्लीट हो गई. क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. पेज नंबर आपका है 47. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. नंबर 1, प्रेस आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग वन पैराग्राफ. इसका है थर्ड ऑप्शन एंटर. Number 2 is used to select one character to left from the current cursor position. Third option, shift plus left arrow. There are common keys to delete text. These are backspace and delete key. इसका है first option. Answer the following. Question number 1. How do enter a text in a document? After you have created a new document, you are ready to entering text. Question number 2. What are the purpose of editing document? The purpose of editing document: change the text, insert a block of text, delete a block of text, and copy a block of text in new location. Question number 3. How will you insert text in the saved document? The simplest among all is to place the cursor where you want the new text to be added and start typing. How do you select a text in a document? इसका आंसर: for selecting any text, the mouse pointer at the beginning of the text matter to be selected. Question number 5. How do you delete a text in a document? इसका आंसर: there are two common keys to delete text. These are the backspace and delete key. Question number 6. What are the uses of cut, copy and paste command? Answer: the use of cut will your computer to delete the content from its original location. When pasted, copy will simply copy the information and the original content will be retained when you use paste in order to access any of